How to turn off iCloud Drive on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes you to the Apple account screen. Proceed by tapping on iCloud as shown. Here, you can manage your storage and see which apps are using iCloud. Tap on See All under Save to iCloud to view the full list. You can view all the apps that are currently synced with iCloud. Scroll through the list and tap on iCloud Drive. On this page, ensure that the toggle switch next to Sync This iPhone is turned off to deactivate the service. As you can see, a pop-up will appear to confirm. Tap on Turn Off and Delete from iPhone to finalize the action. Following these steps, you can easily turn off iCloud Drive on an iPhone.